Hi students, today we're going to check the topic of comparing cultures. So today we're going to check the use of adjectives and the comparative as. To begin, we're going to check the definition of what is a comparison. A comparison or comparing is the act of evaluating two or more things by determining the relevant, comparable characteristics of each thing, and then determining which characteristics of each are similar to the other, which are different, and to what degree. So, today we're going to check and we're going to focus on the similarities of different cultures. So, we're going to start comparing cultures. In Mexico, there are some celebrations such as Day of the Dead, Independence Day. In other countries, there are some similar celebrations. For example, in United States, there is a celebration called Halloween, and there are some similar aspects related to the Day of the Dead in Mexico. We're going to compare those similarities. So, Day of the Dead and Halloween. To make comparisons, we use the comparative as, and we use adjectives to specify the aspects that are similar. For example, customs. We're going to create a sentence about the customs of this celebration. For example, the customs in Day of the Dead are as fantastic as the costumes in Halloween. So, both of the customs are fantastic. So, as you can see, we're using as. The adjective is fantastic. As fantastic, and then as. So, this helps us to make a comparison. We are going to check another example. The decoration colors. Decoration colors in Day of the Dead are as jazzy as in Halloween. So, both of the decoration colors are jazzy. As you can see, we use as, the adjective, and as. So, we're going to check another example. Celebrations. What people do. What people do during these celebrations. For example, in Halloween, the celebrations are as fun as in the Day of the Dead. Both of the celebrations are fun. So we're making a comparison using as, the adjective, and the as. So both are fun. Okay? Very good. So try to practice. Think about what other cultures are similar to your culture. For example, you can think about the Independence Day in other countries. What do you think? Also, you can think about the Christmas in other countries. What do you think? Okay, think about the similarities of these events. Write in the comments what similarities you find in those events. So, thank you for your attention and see you in the next class.